Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create logo with AI. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for bing.com. Here, we will write an instruction to the artificial intelligence, that is, we will tell it how we want the logo with all the features. Then click on Create. If we don't like something, we can rewrite what we want. And here we would have generated several logos. We can choose the one we want. Then, if we go to Customize, we can change some details. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.